Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Kit in Brawl Stars. Kit is a mythic brawler who excels at ambushing opponents and supporting teammates. His main attack, Claw Combo, delivers a powerful 1-2 punch, dealing more damage when you are closer to your target. His super, Pounce, offers incredible versatility, letting you leap onto allies for healing or onto enemies to deal damage and control them. Understanding these core mechanics is your first step to dominating with Kit. Kit's primary attack, Claw Combo, is a rapid 3-hit sequence, with the final strike delivering a significant burst of damage. His super, Pounce, is truly unique. When attached to an ally, Kit heals them for 1,200 health per second and charges his super faster. When attached to an enemy, he deals 800 damage per second and prevents them from attacking. His cardboard box gadget grants invisibility for 5 seconds, while Hairball deals 1,000 damage and slows foes, offering excellent utility. Effective positioning is key to Kit's success. Always try to engage enemies from close range to maximize your Claw Combo's damage output. Utilize your Pounce super strategically. Leaping onto a tanky ally can provide crucial healing and quickly recharge your super for another use. Conversely, pouncing on a squishy enemy can secure a swift elimination. Remember to save your cardboard box gadget for critical moments, whether it's to escape a dangerous situation or set up a perfect ambush. Kit shines in game modes that benefit from his mobility and burst damage, such as Gem Grab and Brawl Ball. For star powers, Power Surge is excellent for aggressive play, increasing your supercharge rate by 20% when attached to an ally. Alternatively, Grumpy reduces the damage dealt by enemies you are attached to by 25%, making you more resilient. Experiment with both to see which best suits your playstyle and the specific match you are in.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.